Welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to unlock your iPhone to use it with any carrier, any SIM card out there. This is a factory unlock and we will do it together step by step. It is very simple. I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method, and today I will show you how to factory unlock your iPhone. And with that said, let's begin. Now we have to get the phone's IMEI number. Simply open the phone application and dial *#06#, and you will see that the IMEI number of this phone will show up. It's a 15-digit number. It is unique for every phone, so just keep this number in hand because we are going to use it in a few seconds to generate the unlock request for this iPhone. We're going to switch to the computer because the rest of the process will take place in a computer. In this website, we will request the unlock to unlock this phone. So simply, you have to fill in this form here about your phone's information. It's extremely important to enter the correct IMEI number. That's the number we just got, so enter it here. It should be 15-digit and it must be 100% correct. If there's a mistake here, this method will not work. And the last and final step is to write down your personal email where you want to receive the notification. So just write down here your personal email address and they will email you a notification that your phone has been unlocked successfully. Once you have read everything, you will get a message or an email just like this. I will show you my email account. So this is the email I just got, and it says your iPhone has been factory unlocked successfully. So let's go ahead and open this email. So the email will confirm that your iPhone has been successfully unlocked, and now the last step is to connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi to activate the unlock. So that's the way you do a network factory unlock. But that's all for today, guys. I hope this information was useful for all of you trying to unlock your iPhone, and don't forget to subscribe. We upload videos every week. Thank you for watching the video, guys. See you next time.